The gelatin trick has been quietly helping so many people find a bit more ease in their day, especially when it comes to feeling lighter and more balanced. Lately, I've noticed a lot of friends just seem to have this steady, calm energy throughout their morning, and it often traces back to this simple daily habit. What is the gelatin trick? It's really just a gentle, consistent morning ritual using basic ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. There are no complicated diets or extreme changes involved. Just a small, comforting routine that's easy to fit into even the busiest schedules. It's about nourishing your body with something simple and supportive right at the start of your day. People often describe feeling a lovely sense of digestive comfort, more stable energy without those usual afternoon slumps, and just an overall feeling of being more grounded and productive. It's not about dramatic overnight transformations, but rather a gradual shift towards feeling more joyful and at ease in your own body, day after day. This gentle consistency is where the gelatin trick really shines. If you're curious to learn exactly how to incorporate this into your routine, I've put together a full step-by-step guide, and it's linked for you in the description below. I've also pinned it in the first comment so it's super easy to find. Take a look while it's still available and see how one small daily action might help you feel more balanced and comfortable.